Where can I get data? That is the very first question every GIS analyst asks himself or herself. And sometimes it is stressful to get data or to even know where we can get it. So I have recorded this video to show you some of the most important sites you can visit to get some data. So I will demonstrate how to download from a few among these, and I'll share the link to this sheet so that you can be able to create your own copy and keep it for future reference. So I'll begin by showing you the hydro sheets where you can get lakes and also hydrology data. So when you open the site, this is the interface you're going to see, and the data has been organized in 2 continents. So there is a global data set. So the global data set is available as a database and also a shapefile. So every of this is available in 2 formats, your database or a shapefile. So you can choose which one to download. And for Africa, here is, so you can just hit, if you want the shapefile, hit the download button to the right of the continent where you want the data. So if I hit this, you can see the download has begun. So this is the hydro rivers for all African countries. So I don't need to download, I just want to demonstrate. So if you also want your database, you can just hit the download button and you can explore the hydro basins. So the data is here for hydro basins here, and you have the hydro lakes. This is for lakes, hydro falls. So here you can get these hydrology data sets. So the next one I'm going to show you is the climate research unit, CRU. So this is where you can get climate data, rainfall data, temperature, precipitation. So these are the data sets that are available with the years attached to them. So you can download the data, so it is in raster format. So the one that you should download is the one with the .tat.nc.gz. So the 1901 to 1910 is there. This is from 2021 to 2024. So it is aggregated. So here is, you can download climate data. And another site, this one is for rainfall data, CHRS. So you can get rainfall data from this site. You can get rainfall data from this site. So for you to download rainfall data from CHRS, it's taking long to load Google Network. So for you to download, what you have to do is, first you can zoom into the location. Let's say I'll zoom into Malawi, this one. So you can choose here on the domain, you can choose the global data, you just down something to draw, or you can choose country. So when you choose country, boundaries are going to be right. So you just click on a boundary and that country will get selected, which means your data will be for the whole Malawi here. And if you want for political divisions like district boundaries, so here is it. So you can click any district, click any district. So I click Baraka, here is selected. Then after you have selected your area, here you can choose the time step. Do you want daily? 1 hourly, monthly, yearly. So yearly and the date time, let's say 2014. Then hit download. So you want the date time from 2024 to 2024. Format, you can choose a TIFF, net CDF, or ArcGIS grid. So you choose according to your preference. The compression, you can choose a tar or a zip. Then you hit the download button. So this is the CRS for CHRS portal. Another important site is the Diva GIS. So you can get global shape files from Diva GIS. You open Diva GIS, you are going to see this interface. So you have to define the country where you want the data. Let's say I want for Burundi. Subject, I want administrative areas, inland waters, roads, railroads, elevation. So I can choose any type of data I want. So I want administrative boundary. So once you choose, you can see here download. A link is provided in a zipped format. So you can see BDI, that's the code for Burundi, and administrative boundary. If you change to roads, it is going to appear like this. So you just click the link and the download will begin. So you can get these type of data sets for any country as you want. Next, I'll demonstrate. Let me demonstrate how you can download OpenStreetMap data here from GeoFabric. So you open GeoFabric. So for you to download from GeoFabric, you have to go down here on downloads. Under downloads, you are going to see the data has been grouped or categorized by continent. So you can be able to see even on the map as you hover the continent. So I want for Africa, I'll open Africa. If I want the whole Africa, I can download the SHP zip, but for Africa, the SHP zip is not available. So I'll open here to see the countries. So I have the countries here. Let's say I want for Kenya here. So I can hit Kenya to further see the subdivisions, but there are no subdivisions defined for this region. You can see here. So I go back and I can download the data for the whole country for Kenya. So I just hit the .shp.zip. So it will be a shape file of all OpenStreetMap datasets from Kenya. So this is your fabric. Another one I have to demonstrate. The other ones you explore at your own time. I'll provide the link to this sheet so that you can get the data you want. You can also get administrative boundaries from this one, Garden, and also you have this one, Humanitarian Data Exchange, where you can get GIS datasets related to humanitarian crisis. Then we have Overpass. So the Overpass tab also downloads data from OpenStreetMap, but it requires you to use queries. So you should be querying the database. Like in this case, there is a query that node amenity is equal to drinking water and the like. So if I run this, it is going to select the features that qualify for this attribute. So you can see features selected here. You can see in the blue circles. So this is amenity for drinking water, and you can download it, but just by exporting. So you have to get familiar with the querying of this site. And OSM Wiki is just a guide of the tags that you can use in the overpass table site to make your queries. So you can get the tags, how features are tagged, so that you can be able to query it. And this is USGS, where you can get geological data for the whole world. So if you open USGS, this site will take you to the site where you can choose your continent, and you can just click if you want data on science base. So this is official geology of Africa, and this one geological provinces. So you can choose which one you want. So the requested service is temporary and available option. So this is where you can get geology data for the whole country. And another one is Ramsar. Ramsar is a website where you can get data for wetlands of international importance. So you can be able to download the centroids, that is the points that indicate the center of the wetlands, and also you can get polygons as boundaries of those wetland areas of international importance. So you hit the download here, centroid, the download will begin. Wow, okay, so this has begun. Maybe. So another one is the African knowledge platform. Here you can get the spatial data for African countries under different themes. It is loading. As it loads, let me also show you these NASA films. Here you can get data about fire. If you want data about fire, you can get it from NASA films. The network is not okay, but those are some of the useful data sources for GIS. So you can explore the rest. USGS, you can get digital elevation model data, Landsat imagery, and on combined cast, you can get Sentinel imagery from that site. Malawi Spatial Data Portal is for dataset for Malawi, or most datasets for Malawi are found in the Mazda website. So this is how you can get or where you can get GIS and remote sensing data for different uses. These are some of them. They are not all. You can keep exploring. I'll share the link to this Google Sheet in the video description. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.